So congratulations. Now we are running Cloud Code in our local model. So it gives us a response around 2 minutes and 40. Hello everyone, welcome back. In today's video, I will show you how to connect your local model running inside lmstudio to Cloud Code using PowerShell. This means instead of using online APIs such as OpenCode, I use previous days Minimax too. So if I say hi, the free version will terminate. So now it's payment. It needs payment. So I can get a free model such as DeepSeek. So DeepSeek is free, and if it's reached the limit, it'll become a money. So if I said hi, it's working. So we don't want these methods. We want to connect our local LM Studio directly into our computer to Cloud Code. So today we will use LM Studio, Cloud Code, PowerShell, Qwen, and local server. So let's begin. Step one, so open LM Studio. So now LM Studio is open. So first time you must download a model. So it has a lot of models. So and it depends on your computer hardware. So you please do not download a model that is higher than your memory. So this is 26 gigabytes. So I don't want that. So I've already downloaded Gemma 4. I've already downloaded Gemma 4, which is 4 gigabytes. So and I already downloaded this version Qwen. This is much slower than Gemma 4. Now I'm using this one. So please download a model that has 4 billion tokens or 6 billion. So do not download 8 or higher than, so just 20 billion. So my computer does not have a GPU. So since I have only 32 memory, so I have 32 gigabyte memory and it's already used 16 gigabytes. So I will not recommend you if you have 16 gigabytes of memory, since it's not working probably. So we are loading one of our models. Go here, pick the model. So I'm using Qwen as example. So this is the context length. So it means how much information that the model can remember during the conversation. If you grab this one and much higher, look at the total GPU of memory it needs for. If I increase it, it will be increased. And the memory of our laptop, it become more usable. So it's using more storage. So we don't want that. We are using less, such as 4096 gigabytes. I'm using 4 gigabytes on context model. So load the model. So the model is loading. Come here. So click this setting and make sure to enable local server. So we enforce the API of Cloud Code to use this local server instead of its own API over the internet. So now we are load the model. I'm actually testing it. Say hi. So if you come here, it will be showing you the prompt processing. Okay, we are waiting until it responds back to us. So since the first time takes a lot, several minutes to respond you back. So I think it takes around 1 minute. Okay, around 1 minute and 20 seconds. So if we said, and if we ask another question, 1 plus 2, so you can see it really responds very fast. So let's configure the PowerShell. So come to your PowerShell. Okay. So the first command you want to run is notepad. Notepad profile. So this will open the notepad file that's empty. So I will give you this code you must put on it. So what this code means. So the first thing, the first command is the Anthropic basic URL. We enforce to use this local IP address, and we said do not use internet APIs. The second thing is a token. You can set everything you want. So since we are using lmstudio, we set lmstudio. So this is the timeout. So if it's not respond back, I set it 300,000 milliseconds. So this is two simple functions. What they does, they tell the model to use. So since we are using a Qwen 3, this is the model. If you are using Gemma 4, you must put type here Gemma 4 and before you save this file. And we disable it couple of things like this thinking. It takes to respond as Claude Code several minutes. So if you can't disable, if you cannot disable this previous, so in agentic mode, also we tell the model to use, and I disable it, the think mode. This takes a lot of time to respond the Claude Code. So we need a short time to respond us. So make sure to save this file, and I have already saved it. So when you save it, say cat profile. So we need to see what inside this file. It will show us the code that already saved. So how to run it? Simply you can run this command claude-local. If you need agentic mode, you simply run claude-agent. So clear this screen. So I'm actually testing it. So it's claude-local. So first time you must download a Claude Code. I so say yes. So as you can see, it detects our local model. So if we said model, so I'm actually said model. So it's shown us the current model that you are using, that we are using our own local model. So said we are testing it. So 10 plus 10. In the background, let's look at Claude. So it's processing the prompt that we are asking in Claude Code. It's processing that prompt. Okay, let's see. So seems taking a time. We will wait until it responds. So congratulations. Now we are running Cloud Code in our local model. So it gives us a response around 2 minutes and 47 seconds. So let's say hi. So the first prompt takes a lot of time. So we will test another prompt. So let's wait. So Cloud Code gave us this response around 2 minutes. So why do this? So it has several benefits. So there is no API calls, full control for faster, works offline. So it has a privacy projects, but it needs a several memory and GPU. So if you don't have money to pay Cloud Code Pro monthly, $17, you can use this way by running local models on your computer. So that is the setup of how to connect Cloud Code into lmstudio. So if this video helps you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. Thanks for your watching. See you in the next one.